Each year, we hear from applicants that are concerned about writing their personal statement or essay. Our application includes several essay prompts, which you have the option of answering as separate questions or in one comprehensive essay. The essay is a great opportunity for you to highlight more about yourself and tell us why you feel that Gies Online Programs is a good fit for you. It is important that we know how it will help you to achieve your goals so that we can help you along your way. The recommended length is 750 to 1,000 words, or roughly 2 to 3 pages. We don't judge the length, but very short essays will not be adequately addressing the prompts. Likewise, very long essays are not necessary, as we just need highlights of your candidacy. We strongly recommend having a friend or trusted colleague review your draft and offer feedback. If you have any concerns with your application profile, such as low GPA or gaps in employment history, we suggest using the optional essay to address them.